What's up, guys? Sorry I'm a little sweaty. I just wanted to do a little video of my home gym that I put in my garage due to the pandemic and stuff like that. I wasn't able to work out and I was really missing out on that. Working out is just a huge stress relief for me. Not only does it make me feel better, but just mentally I just feel a lot better after I work out. So I'm gonna show you guys my setup. Just give you guys some ideas if anyone else is interested in doing it. All right, so first off, I started by actually painting the walls. So I did them in this glossy white, super white gloss. It's meant for exterior paint, so it works good for the garage. It goes on really smoothly and thick, and it's easy to wipe off. That's kind of why I wanted it. You're able to wipe off anything that you get on the walls real easily, compared to like what it came with was super flat and just a dirty hand touching the wall would leave a stain. So that made it a lot better, and also it looks a lot whiter in here. That's kind of why I decided to go with the black epoxy flooring. I did this myself as well. I got the stuff from Home Depot. It's called polycuramine. It's from Rust-Oleum. It's a little dusty right now just because I pulled the cars in and out, but it looks really good when it's clean. You just have to like mop it up real quick. You can see it's a little cleaner right here, so it looks better. I did this myself, me and my wife actually. It took us about 2 days, 2 afternoons. It wasn't bad at all. $214, I think it was worth it. I like working on my car as well, so it just makes it easier for me to clean up any oil. All right, so next up, I went with these horse mats. They're 6 by 4 feet, about 100 pounds each. So I picked up 4 of these horse mats, and they're 3/8 of an inch thick, super thick. They have these grooves on the bottom, or these circles, and that's just to let any kind of like water or anything kind of seep out so it doesn't get stuck in there, because then you might run the risk of getting mold. So I got 4 of these. That was plenty for me. They're like 45 bucks each, but you can get as many as you want. I got them from Tractor Supply. So those I think all over the US. You just have to look for a local Tractor Supply store and they'll carry them in stock. Next up, I got these dumbbells. Everything's really hard to find right now. At all the stores, everything's sold out obviously, or just super overpriced on any kind of like Facebook Marketplace or Opera, but I was looking enough to buy the whole set. So I got a set of 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and a set of 25s as well. And this bench from a guy on Facebook Marketplace. So everything was like brand new. He bought it before the pandemic, and then he was moving to Texas, so he had to sell it all. So I got it for a really good price. The bench alone was like $400 brand new, or almost $500, and I paid $400 for everything that you see here, all these dumbbells. So I thought that was really good, especially with the prices that people are charging right now. Just a set of like 50-pound dumbbells, we're probably running like $150, $200 right now. So you just have to look around for good deals or wait till places restock. Next up, I got all these plates here. It's a set of it's a 300-pound plate set from Dick's Sporting Goods. I think it runs around $300, $350. It comes with a set of 2.5, set of 4 5-pound weights, 2 10s, 2 25s, 2 35s, 2 45s, and then it comes with a 45-pound Olympic barbell. So I got that all in a package deal, so that was sweet. This rack I got from Amazon just to store everything against the wall. My biggest thing with this garage gym, I wanted to be able to still pull in both cars, so not sacrifice any space, and I'm actually able to do that. And then lastly, I got this squat rack from Dick's Sporting Goods as well. It was about $400. It's a folding squat rack, so in a little bit I'll fold it up so you guys can see what I mean. But yeah, it just stores away against the wall, which is really sweet. Just usually they take up a lot of space, but this one doesn't, and it's really sturdy. It's got a pull-up bar. They sell other attachments for it, and you can adjust these up and down where you want. So if you want to do squatting, you put it up a little higher. If you want to do bench press, incline, decline, anything you want to do, you can do on there. I would like to get a pulley system so I can do like lat pull downs or tricep extensions. That would be nice. And then I also got this barbell wall mount, so I could store it against the wall and it's not just like sitting on the floor being an inconvenience. And then I've had this bike, or my parents actually had this bike at their house. It's a Schwinn workout bike. It's really sweet. I like it. A treadmill takes up a lot of space. This doesn't. It's a pretty small, and it's a good workout. I like to get on there. Usually watch YouTube or catch up on anything like emails, whatever. So I like that. I usually get on that first, about like 10-15 minutes, get a sweat going, and then I start my workout here. And I'm able to do a lot of different things, especially with the dumbbells. You're able to do so many things. And then I just have this mirror in my house. It's not mounted, I should probably mount it, but it's nice just to make sure your form's correct and stuff like that. It's nice to have there. Everything else in my garage, I got these Husky storage cabinets, I guess you could call. I just have like random stuff in here. They're not very full yet. Same down here, I think there's like some cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So I just like the garage to look really nice and clean and neat. And then I have a rolling toolbox that has like most of my tools I use every day. That's about it. Oh, I also did this lighting up here because I know it can get pretty dark in here if I want to work out at night. It's nice to have these super bright, or just if I want to work on the car. It's nice to have good lighting. These were actually like $45 from Amazon, the whole set of 6 shipped. Super cheap. I can't remember the name. I can put in the description if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, super happy with this setup here. I work out almost every day along with my wife, and then my sister-in-law who's staying with us right now too. She likes to work out too, so we're getting good use out of it, and we don't even miss the gym anymore because it's nice just to wake up and come down here and work out. But I'll fold this away and show you guys what it looks like folded. All right, so this is how it looks folded away. It only took me about 5 minutes. It's real easy, anyone can do it. My wife does it, sister-in-law does it, but it's really nice that you're able to store it away. You can see how close to the wall that actually is. And what I like is it's actually really sturdy when you unfold it. Super sturdy, so that's sweet. And that's it, guys. It leaves me plenty of room to park my car. I don't even need to fold it away, to be honest, to park the car in here, but I just do it once in a while just to give a little extra room. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description for the rack from Dick's Sporting Goods, as well as the weight set for the plates and the barbell. The other stuff, I mean, I just collected off of Facebook Marketplace. They are from Dick's Sporting Goods as well, pretty much all these dumbbells, but I'd have to link every single one. I'm sure you can find it easily. Yeah, and this folding rack, I don't know if I said, but it was $400 picked up. I added another $50 for warranty, so they give you like a 3-year warranty if anything messes up with it. They said even if like the paint chips, just let them know and then they'll replace it with a new one. Yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Just wanted to give you guys an idea if you guys have been wanting to do this, so thanks for checking it out.